first thing we're going to do is get a lot of bacon. There we go. Chuck that on there. Then in about a minute we're going to put on our baked beans. Then I'm going to get the egg. Now this being a sandwich press, if you want you can cook it this way. Don't worry, it will die. It's just screaming. Getting out a smell maybe. Oh yes, yes. The face on it. You can see it was in pain right at the end. Let's see if we can capture his final moments. Yes, clearly very, very traumatic death for that piece of bacon. Now we don't want to overdo it, so you know, don't overeat. So I don't know, maybe just three baked beans should be enough. Hopefully there won't be leftovers, but if there are, it's another meal for another day. Now, as those are cooking, we'll get our egg. Have to try and maybe cut it open this way. Don't know if this is a good idea. There we go. Now we'll crack it into that. There we go. It's like a pretty big yolk, and then we'll cook that. There we go. Now just add a little bit of rocket, and of course it would not be complete without tomato sauce. There you go. How good is that? Well, got a little fork and a little spoon. Now what should we try? Oh yeah.